Hello, everyone. Welcome to a new lesson. Today, we will be looking at months of the year. We will learn how to read, write, pronounce, and use the different months of the year. Let's begin. There are 12 months in a year in English. Listen carefully as I read these months. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. Let us practice. The first question we have here is, what is the first month of the year? Your answer is, the first month of the year is January. Number 2, month number 7 of the year is July. Okay? Number 3, in what month of the year is your birthday? Your answer will be, my birthday is in. You can fill in this space with the month of your birthday. Okay? Another question I can ask you for you to think and practice is, what month do you like best? Okay? What month do you like best? And your answer will be, I like X month. Write the name of the month here, and then you say best. For example, I like January best. I like June best. I like August best. Okay? Keep practicing. Now, let us read and pronounce these words one more time. Pay attention to your pronunciation. Listen carefully as I pronounce and repeat after me. Let's begin. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. Great! That is the end of this lesson. Do not forget to practice, as practice makes perfect. If you like this video, please please share and subscribe to the channel. See you in our next video. Bye.